So you place your hands where the sternum is to stimulate the thoracic duct. And we're going to get the client to take a deep breath in. And when they release, you're just going to press. And again, deep breath in. And release. Deep breath in. My hands are going to do that circular motion and bring it down. So that circle and down. So just a stretch of the skin. It's easy to do it standing in front of the client, but if you want to do it from behind, in that circle, and bring it down. And I'm going to use a stationary circle with these two fingers. Yeah. And we're just going to move along. So circle up, move down. Stretch the skin and release. And again, 5 to 7 reps. Fingers. See which feels more comfortable for you. Are you snoring yet?
No.